The Macadams dough mixer is primarily used for mixing bread, pastries, and other types of doughs. As with all bakery equipment, the correct safe work procedures must be followed at all times to minimize potential hazards and injury. Knowing how to correctly inspect, operate, clean and maintain, and protect yourself while operating the dough mixer is essential for your safety and the safety of other employees. Ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment. Always make sure that the area around the dough mixer is clear of any obstacles or hazards. Inspect the dough mixer by checking that the electrical cable and plug are undamaged and in safe working order. Next, stabilize the dough mixer by leveling the adjustable feet to ensure that it is lifted off the wheels. This will prevent the machine from moving around during mixing. Now switch on the machine. Next, confirm that the emergency switch is deactivated, otherwise the dough mixer will not operate. Finally, make sure that the mixing bowl is clean and clear of any foreign objects. The Macadams dough mixer's safety guard is designed as a dust cover as well as a safety cutout switch. When the mixer is mixing, it should immediately switch off when the safety guard is lifted. If you identify any potential hazards during your inspection, do not use the dough mixer. Report your findings to your supervisor immediately. To operate the dough mixer, preset the mixing timers for each speed as per your recipe's instructions. There are two speeds: a slow speed, which is the starting speed, where liquid is added and the ingredients are combined to form the dough, and a fast speed, which the dough mixer will automatically switch over to during the mixing cycle. During the mixer's fast speed phase, the strength of the dough is developed. Open the safety guard and carefully place the ingredients into the mixer in the specified order, taking care not to create flour dust. Finally, close the safety guard. Add water according to your recipe specification, ensuring that all further liquid ingredients are added during the slow mixing phase. And then press the start button. At this stage, the dough mixer will start mixing the ingredients together. The dough mixer will automatically switch over to the fast speed and continue mixing until the timer has completed the mixing cycle and automatically switches the machine off. Once the mixer has come to a complete stop, lift the safety guard. Do a window check to make sure the dough is the correct consistency. Now remove the dough to a floured work surface or to a lightly oiled clean dough container, ready for bulk fermentation. Repeat all of these steps for every batch of dough required to be mixed. Never place your hand in the dough mixer during the mixing process. This compromises safety and is extremely hazardous, as your hand could be severely injured by the dough hook. Also, do not operate the dough mixer if the adjustable feet are not securely locked down. The high rotation speed of the dough mixer means it can move around, and this is extremely dangerous. When you are done, switch off the power at the mains and unplug the dough mixer's electrical cable. Cleaning the mixer is the next major step. Doing so daily is important preventative maintenance that ensures the proper operation of this machine. It is important to follow your company's prescribed cleaning schedule. Never use a metal scraper for cleaning the inside of the bowl and the dough hook, as this will damage the stainless steel covering. Always use a plastic scraper. Once all the excess flour dust and dry dough has been scraped away, use a clean damp cloth to wipe the inside of the bowl and the dough hook. Using a clean damp cloth that has been soaked in warm soapy water, wipe down the outside of the dough mixer, making sure that you remove any dough pieces or flour dust that may have stuck to the outer casing of the machine. Take care to ensure that no excess water comes into direct contact with the electronic controls on the control panel. Using a clean cloth, dry the outside of the machine and the control switches. Remove all flour dust and dry pieces of dough. When you are sure that the machine has been thoroughly cleaned, sanitize it and allow it to air dry. Now clean and sanitize the work area around the mixer. Finally, do an inspection of the dough mixer, ensuring it is in good working order. If there's any fault or damage, report it to your supervisor immediately. Always follow the correct safe work procedures to protect yourself and fellow bakery staff and customers at